Hi, this is Ann McDonald, and the website I decided to evaluate is the Marie L. Holland Library at Crittenden Middle School in Newport News, Virginia. Here's the landing page for the library website, linked to the middle school site. I'm first going to look at and describe how the library meets the needs of the 5 library stakeholder groups. The first stakeholder group is the administration. The page that I feel meets the needs of the administration is the research page. To get to the research page, we have to first go to the online library, and here's the research page. On the research page, the section I'm going to be looking at is right here. Each section is in between green or red highlighted section, the collection credit site. In the Whole School Library Handbook, Lance Rodney Swartz, in The Impact of School Librarians on Academic Achievement, mentions the importance that administration places on the teaching of information literacy standards. I believe this section explains and illustrates how the librarian does that. There's a citation guidebook with links to citation creators. There's a copyright and fair use section, which not only explains with links copyright and fair use, but also has many links to places where students can find information. There's also a note-taking and citing sources section. The next group of stakeholders is the classroom teachers. The section that I feel meets the needs of the classroom teachers is the library guide section, and that again is on the research page at the top where it says library guides. In the article, The Teacher Takes on the School Library Program, Harvey says, the school librarian, in order to serve the teachers, needs to be well versed in the curriculum. The library guides show how the librarian is well versed in the curriculum. If you look at the language arts section, we can see that in grade 7 there's an autobiography guide. There's disaster relief from Mrs. Graham, another site. And in the social studies resources, there are resources for different teachers, and this is an example of one which has a task, roles and descriptions, and embedded research links. The next group of stakeholders are the students. The section of the website that meets the needs of the students is the book section. And I have to go back to the online library section and go to books. And the section that I'll be looking at are the digital books in the library. According to Empowering Learners Guidelines for School Library Programs, an information specialist, the school librarian, provides 24/7 access to library services. And according to Franklin, in the Empowering Learners article in School Library Monthly, he discusses making the library inviting, and I believe this can also mean the online library, with enough appropriate resources for all students to find information for academic and leisure needs. If we look here, this shows the 24/7 nature of this library. It has links so that the students can log in and find what the library has in terms of ebooks. Also, free ebooks classic links and audiobooks and online books places.